we want to keep it very low and keep the technique aside and make what's happening in front of the camera between the mothers and the kids the hero of the moment.
What makes a rock star? What are they made of? One that keeps the band together, keeps the fire going. Solo, like the guitar, day after day. Here's to the one true rock star of the year, your mama.
My name is Pierre Marques. I worked as a DOP on Rolling Stone Rockin Mama with director Ali. He came to me and told me that we have this great brief, a tribute to mothers in our modern society. The main mission was to keep it very real in terms of location, of casts, of lighting, try not to be very stylized. From day one, Ali insisted on having real mothers and real kids. This means being super flexible around the moms and their kids, super flexible with the camera, with what they will offer us. The relation between a kid and his mother is something you cannot recreate easily. It's always hard to bring a mom, put her in a living room, let's say, with a zillion lights, and ask her to be herself. It was like go inside the set, act normally, and then the camera will be just witnessing or recording those moments. And after this, once the energy is there on the set, it's much easier to film and shoot everything. Our major work was to find the right spots in the real houses. So find real situations, real locations, and then put the real casts in those situations. We wanted also to have like a variety of houses or moments, a night, day, interior, exterior. The age of the kids and the mothers will take you in some directions for the locations. If you have a newborn, you're going towards a bedroom or interior. Whenever you have a bigger boy, you can go outside, exterior, garden, football scene. The main brief came like a tribute to mothers, especially in our modern society. Like I said, we want to keep it very low and keep the technique aside and make what's happening in front of the camera between the mothers and the kids the hero of the moment. Not the lighting, not the frame, not the camera, not the art department, not anything else. We tend to be cool dads, and we want also to have like cool moms with us. So it also made it easier for us to love the brief and to love the cool moms throughout the copy. You know, we're talking about rock stars, and nothing gave tribute to this rock star profile that we were creating more than the black and white prints that happened later on. With the photography, it was like always like flash photography, like a big, strong, clear flashes, which made it also like look more like a rock star's portrait. You can see this on the edit, on her attitude from mom to rock star in every single vignette between motion pictures and photography. It was meant to be very minimalistic, very real, using the available light happening, maybe a window, a soft light coming from a door, to keep it very simple and very real. Our biggest dilemma was black and white versus colors. Sometimes we were monitoring colors versus black and white, and this was a big discussion. We have the motion pictures, we have the files, we have the video, but also we have like a big amount of pictures. Ali was always around taking pictures of all this with his camera. So whenever I'm shooting, he's around me taking portraits of the cast. After Ali took those pictures, he chose to also print them with the film grain, with the noise happening on them. They were much more powerful in black and white. This is where we were so sure that the black and white is the right decision to make on this film.